So for today's video, I'm doing another makeup tutorial. This is glossy red lip makeup tutorial. If you wanna know how to get this makeup look, keep on watching. Start from the eyes. I'm taking my eyeshadow base to all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime my eyes. Then after that, I just set the eyeshadow base with the powder so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Next, for the eyeshadow, I'm using J4 Cosmetic Androgyny palette. I'm taking the shade to my crease as my transition color. Then after that, I'm taking this red shade to the outer corner, blending it to the crease, to darkening up and just deepening up the look. Then after that, I'm taking this shimmery shade to my lid as a lid color. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using gel liner to make wing liner like always. After that, with the Body Shop eye definer in the shade black, I pull it to my tight line to make my lashes look fuller. Next, for the lashes, first thing that I'm gonna do is curling my lashes. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. Moving on to the face, I put Pork Filler Primer to the center of my face and just blending it all out to prime my face. Next, for the foundation, I'm using the Body Shop Posture Foundation. I'm in the shade number 5. Put it all over my face using buffing brush spiral technique to apply it. Next, for the concealer, I use it as concealing and highlighting as well. I put it under my eye like triangle shape. I put it on the center of my nose. I put it on my forehead and I put it on my chin and just blending it all out. Next, I use loose powder to set the place that I put concealer. I don't really set the foundation because I don't like it. Next, for the bronzer, I use Wet n Wild color icon bronzer in the shade Ghetto Bronzer to shape and bronze my face. Then after that, I'm taking another bronzer that is matte to contour my face. Next, for the blush, I use Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Fearless to my cheek, to bring some color to my cheek. Next, for the highlight, I use the Body Shop Puff on Radiance to highlight my face. I put it on the top of my cheekbone. I put it on the center of my nose. I put it on my cupid's bow, and yeah, to place it on highlight. Moving back to the eyes, I'm taking the shade from the same palette and just put it to my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking my eyeliner to my waterline to define my eyes. Next, with the same mascara, I put it to my lower lash line. Back to the palette again, I put the shade to my inner corner as a highlight. Moving on to the lips, which is the star of the show, I put some red lip gloss to all over my lips, and that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.